I am going to show you real quick how to use the snipping tool in our Blackboard rooms, just how to use it in general in case you aren't familiar. So the first thing that you're going to do is find the snipping tool, and you can either come here to your search bar and start typing snipping tool, or in my case, mine's actually in my programs right here. I moved it so it's right there for easy access. So just open up snipping tool. And then you have some options. You can set a delay for when it's going to take a picture of your screen. I usually don't do that. I just click on New. And then it'll say to drag the cursor around the area that you'd like to capture. So let's just say that I want to copy this picture off of my desktop. This is my daughter and my husband. You have some options at this point. You can take the pen tool and you can doodle on it, you can highlight things, color on things, you can directly email a snip. The tool that I use the most is the copy button right here. So I'm going to copy this snip and now it's on my clipboard. You could also save it to your desktop if you needed to. But again, I hit the copy button and then you can just come into wherever you need to be. In this case, this is just a Blackboard room. You right click on the board and click paste page. And then whatever snippet is that you copied will just be pasted onto the board.